From orchard to bottle. Modern orchards. Precision growing. Controlled water. Controlled growth. Thinning for quality. Perfect ripeness. Gentle harvest. Fresh to the plant. Only the best continue. Thorough washing. Precision sorting. Crushed into mash. Pressed under pressure. Pure juice extracted. Pomace separated. Natural cloudy juice. The cloudy stream passes through a series of advanced membrane filters, resulting in a perfectly clear and hygienic juice. Rapid pasteurization. Hygienic filling. Sealed and protected. Labeled and ready. Final packaging. Prepared for delivery. From plant to shelf.
Ready for you. Ready for you. Orchard to bottle.
Real process. Real quality. Real manufactura. Subscribe for more.